Hey guys, on this episode we talk about the importance of warming up, how to best meal prep your meals, and how to get out of the I don't care mindset. Let's get ready to go, guys. Hey everyone, welcome to the Ask Faster Fitness Show, episode number 4. I want to take a quick moment to say thank you very much to everyone that watched our last video where we featured Christine and her amazing journey. So many people saw the video, so many people reached out and were inspired. If you were one of those people, I want to say thank you very much. So let's go ahead and move on today with our questions. So Frankie, what we got?
All right, perfect. Our first fitness question today is the importance of warm-up and a good warm-up routine. So I want to take the first part here. So as for the importance of warm-up, I'd say it's one of the most important parts of your routine. Okay, it kind of sets the pace for the whole workout. We have a rule here at Faster Fitness. If you are 5 minutes late to our warm-up, we unfortunately have to ask you to go to the next class. We're not trying to be mean to you, but we also want you to avoid injuries as best as possible. That's why our warm-up is so integral to our programming, because we want to avoid people getting hurt, any possible injuries, and it also sets a tone for your whole mindset, for your whole workout. You know, a good warm-up will lead to a good workout, and a good workout will lead to a great rest of your day. As for a good warm-up routine, Ivan, you want to take this?
So we want to show you 5 of the most important warm-up moves that we use here so you can use in your own workout routine too. So as you can see what Frankie's doing here, our first exercise is going to be a prisoner squat. You're going to go ahead and interlock those fingers behind your head, stretch your elbows back, and you're going to go ahead and then start squatting. Push your butt as far back as you can, keep your chest up, and you're going to go ahead and perform 10 reps of this. Our second move in the warm-up is going to be a jumping jack. Most people do half jumping jacks. We want you to do a full jumping jack. So notice that your feet are going to be together, hands are being close to each other, and you are going to slap your sides every single time. Hands above your head and all the way back down. So the third move of the warm-up series is going to be what we call POGO hops. This is going to get your ankles warmed up, your calves warmed up. So what I want you to do is go ahead and POGO hop 10 forward, 10 backwards, 10 side to side. Fourth move of the warm-up series is going to be what we call a lunge and a twist. What you're going to do is you're going to take a big step forward and you are going to twist your entire body the same side as the leg that you are lunging in front of. Okay, this is going to provide you a big stretch in your core and get your legs warmed up as well. Our fifth and final exercise for the warm-up series is going to be what we call a glute bridge. You are going to lay down on the ground, feet are close to your butt. You're going to lift as high as you can, squeeze in your glutes, back down, back up, and back down. You're going to perform this again for 10 reps. These 5 warm-up exercises, we want you guys to go ahead and perform them anywhere between 3 and 5 rounds for everything. That way you are truly ready for your workout that you have coming up. All right, guys, our next question for today is going to be based on nutrition. Our nutrition question is, what is the best way to meal prep when I am busy all the time? I'm going to let Frankie go ahead and take this one.
Perfect. All right, so with meal prepping, we need to pick at least maybe 1 or 2 days a week that you have I'd say about 2 hours or so for meal prepping. We call it the Sunday ritual. When you're at home, that should be our meal prep day. For most people, that's pretty good. So what you're gonna do for your meal prep is grab all your proteins, your chickens, your fish, your ground turkey. You're gonna cook all that on your Sunday, okay? So cook all that. If you wanna add in some of your rice, quinoas, some of your starches, things like that as well, you can do that. But for the most part, let's focus on just the proteins right now. Baking your chicken, maybe on the grill with your fish, that's probably the best way to start your meal prep, okay? As for vegetables and other things like that, I would say you do them the day of. So in the morning, I do a great recipe. It's 10 minutes, preheat your oven to 375, okay? Put all your vegetables chopped onto a pan, put it in the oven for 10 minutes while you're getting ready for morning. Boom, there you go. You got your veggies for the next 2 days right there. All right, now that you got your tips for your meal prep, your Sunday rituals in place, let's go into our mindset question of the week. So, mindset question, when I don't get results, I get stressed, and when I'm stressed, I get that I don't care attitude. And then that leads to me slipping up with my nutrition, and then I get the vicious cycle repeating over. What can I do to help me change this cycle?
So I really like this question a lot because it brings back memories. I've been there. I think all of us have been there, regardless of how into the healthy world and healthy lifestyle we are in. I fall into this category a lot. So let me kind of paint you a picture of what this looks like, okay? So say somebody is just starting out, let's just call it a 21-day program. Week 1, they did phenomenal, right? 7 days clean eating, they came to work out, great. Week 2, Monday through Friday, they do great as well. They are still feeling pretty motivated to keep going. But then Saturday hits, right? All your friends are going out, there's maybe a social event that's happening, whether if it's with your family or your friends, and then maybe drinks come into the table, maybe bad food gets presented to you. What do you do then? It's really easy to fall under that temptation. It's really easy to just say, you know what, I don't care. Let's go ahead and just do this. Like, this little bit's not gonna harm me, right? And I don't know about you, but every time this happens, you do get that little sense of weakness. It happens, right? But the thing is that when somebody falls into that, sometimes you have two options. It's either you say, I don't care, and then that cycle goes over and over again. You can't break it, right? It's gonna happen to you every single time. Or 2, you jump right back into it Monday morning or even Sunday. You just get back to working out, get those good habits going again, and that way you break that cycle. You have anything to add on to that?
Yeah, like you were saying, I fall into that sometimes too, where I'm just like, you know what, I don't really care that much, but deep down I know that me the next day I will care about that. One thing that I will do is if I have a slip up, I don't beat myself up over it. I usually get out and do a run, something active, just to get the blood flowing, just to feel a little bit better, because that's like you said, that Saturday maybe you did slip up. Don't beat yourself up. Sunday, go for a little workout. That will set the tone for the rest of the week and get you back on track. One slip up isn't gonna mess up your whole journey, but a continual spiral down will mess up your whole journey. So like he was saying, don't beat yourself up about it. Go the next day, get a little workout, even if it's only 20 minutes, and set the pace for the rest of the week from there.
All right, guys, so that is your fitness, nutrition, and mindset tips for today. We are having so much fun doing this, so if you have any other questions, please go ahead and send it to us. We are more than happy to feature those questions and answer those questions so we can help you become happier and healthier individuals. Have yourself a great day, guys.